Good afternoon, Howard here from Ripon Land Rover, just showcasing one of our lovely Range Rovers that we have here currently at Lloyd Land Rover Ripon, which is our P550e Range Rover Autobiography in the lovely Varesine blue, complemented with the 23-inch diamond turned alloy wheels. And as you can see from the side vents and for the front script and grille and so on, this has the Atlas accents as well, so it does complement the colour and it does stand out from the rest. Jumping into the cab area, as you can see, we do have the lovely Caraway interior complemented with the wooden steering wheel as well. Also, to complement the vehicle as well, we do have features of head-up display, ClearSight rear view mirror and a sliding panoramic sunshine roof as well. Two features that are very cool on this vehicle are the rear blinds for those wonderful summer days as we're enjoying at this moment in time, and also as well we have a refrigerator in the cubby box which is situated between the two front seats. Also, one of the other features that we do have on Range Rover is the power tailgate with the electronic retractable parcel shelf. So if this vehicle is for you, please kindly click the link below and we'll see you here at Ripon Land Rover.